left on the sidelines, stuck at a red light, waiting for my time. So just